To begin, open the bath tutorial drawing. Select the Split 2D/3D view to display 2D and 3D side by side. Navigate the 3D view outside the bathroom door. Moving the viewpoint icon is a quick way to do this. Notice that this is a small enough room that it's difficult to actually see the entire room in 3D. To help with this, in the 2D plan, click inside the room to select it. From the 3D navigation tools, choose Room View. Click the Plumbing tab and the Bathtub tool. A selection of bathtubs will appear on the right. Select the first tub, pressing the left mouse button. Drag it into the bathroom and along the wall. Move it to the center of the wall and release the mouse button to place the tub. The tub is placed on the floor, not up on the custom floor slab used as an elevated platform. Select the tub if it is not still selected. In Object Elevation, click the drop-down and choose Floor Surface from the list of options. This changes the tub elevation to the top surface of the floor slab added. You can make the selected tub longer or shorter using the dimensions displayed in the tool options. Change the length to 6 foot 6 inches. Notice that it gets bigger along from the center of the object. Next, select Toilets. Choose a toilet, drag it along the wall, and release the mouse button to place it. If you don't like its position, using your left mouse button, click to select the fixture and drag it along a wall to relocate it. Release the button to place in the new location. At last, let's put in a sink. Click the Sink tool. Choose between kitchen and bathroom sinks. We'll choose Bathroom Sinks and we'll drag this colonial-style pedestal sink along the wall and place it. If you add a cabinet, standard sinks will automatically cut the cabinet to place the sink. Now for flooring. The next task is to add tile to the bathroom. So we'll go to Materials. We've chosen the Daltile library, and in this case, the Travertine collection. Just drag and drop the material into the 3D view. Smart Wand will display an option to apply materials to a single room's floor or the entire house. Choose Here only so that it applies it to the bathroom floor and not throughout the whole house. And here's a view looking into the bathroom.